What's the meaning of Arcadian? Arcadian. Arcadian.
Arcadian. Arcadian. The term Arcadian refers to an idyllic or simple rural life, often associated with a pastoral utopia. This word is derived from the region of Arcadia in Greece, which was known as a place of rural beauty and peaceful simplicity in ancient times. To refer to something as Arcadian is to evoke a sense of natural beauty, simplicity, and harmony with the environment. This term is often used in literature and art to evoke a sense of nostalgia for a simpler way of life that is perceived as lost or inaccessible in modern times.